before and after. Shalu is walking before Ankit. Muskan is walking after Ankit. So here we can see three children. This is a girl, her name is Shalu. This is a boy, his name is Ankit. And this is a girl, her name is Muskan. Now if you see, the Ankit is in the middle and Shalu. Shalu here is walking before Ankit and Muskan here is after Ankit. So, Shalu is before Ankit and Muskan is after Ankit. You can say Shalu is walking before Ankit and Muskan is walking after Ankit. So, this is before and this is after. Before, after. Look at the things in the boxes below. Then follow the directions to tick the correct thing. First, look at this box. Here you can see a ball. This is a cub. This is a strawberry. Tick the thing that is after the ball. So, this is the ball and we have to tick the thing that is after the ball. So, what is after the ball? A cub. This is a cub. So, we have to tick the thing that is after the ball. So, we are ticking this cub because it is after the ball. Now, B. Tick the thing that is before the bee. This is a cat. This is a bee, that is honey bee, and this is a bird. So, we have to tick the thing that is before the bee. The thing that is before the bee, this is bee. Before the bee is cat here. So, we have to tick the thing that is before the bee. This is bee and the thing before the bee is this cat. We are going to tick the cat here. So, this is before, this is after. For B, this is before and this is after. The next topic here is more and less. M-O-R-E, more, and L-E-S-S, less. A toy seller has more dolls to sell and less teddy bears to sell. So, more and less. Here we can see these are the teddy bears and these are the dolls. Now, let us count these teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, there are 7 teddy bears here. Now, let us count the dolls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, there are 13 dolls here and 7 teddy bears here. It means the dolls are more and the teddy bears are less. Yes, L-E-S-S, less. Teddy bears are less here. Dolls are more, M-O-R-E, more. The next section here, let us read the heading. Circle the objects with red crayon for the more and with green crayon for the less. Here in the first picture you can see these are the dogs, these are the rats here. Let's count the dogs. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rats here. So we should circle for the more number with red color. Rats are more. We will circle with red crayon. Now we should circle the less number with green crayon. So the dogs are less, so we are circling them with green crayon. Now let's do the B picture. Here we have one elephant, only one. Now here there are tortoises. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 tortoises, means tortoises are more. Let's circle them with red crayon. And now the lesser one is the elephant. This we will circle with the green crayon. Yes, like this. These are more in number, these are less. These are more in number, this is the less. Children, now we will do the next topic in our chapter Spatial Relationship, and the topic here is bigger and smaller. Bigger and smaller. In this picture you can see we have here a lion and a rabbit. Lion is very big. If you can observe, in size the lion is big and the rabbit is small. So the lion is bigger, the rabbit is smaller. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller. Let's read the sentence here. A lion is bigger than rabbit and a rabbit is smaller than lion. So here if you can see, the lion is bigger than rabbit and the rabbit is smaller than lion. So this is about the size, big and small. Now let's read the heading here. Tick the one that is bigger and cross the one that is smaller. Here we have two pictures, A and B. In picture A we can see this is a crane bird here. This seems like a woodpecker, and we have to tick the one which is big and cross the one which is small. So in this picture this bird is big, so we will put a tick mark here in this box. This bird is small, so we will put a cross mark. Now in B we have a picture here. This is the picture of a bear and this is a cub. So this is big, bear is big and cub is small. We will put a tick mark for the bigger animal and a cross for the smaller one. Tick mark for the big one, cross for the small one. Bear is bigger than the cub. Cub is smaller than the bear. The next topic here is taller and shorter. T-A-L-L-E-R, taller. S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter. In this picture you can see a giraffe and a tree here. The giraffe is tall and the tree is short. Taller, shorter. Let's read the sentence here. The giraffe is taller than tree and tree is shorter than giraffe. Here in this picture the giraffe is taller than the tree and the tree is shorter than the giraffe. Now let's read the heading here. Look at the given pictures. Tick the one that is taller and cross the one that is shorter. Here we have two pictures. In the first picture, picture A, we have a pencil and a sharpener. In these two, which one is the taller? Yes, the pencil is taller and the sharpener is shorter. So, we will tick the one which is taller and cross the one which is shorter. The sharpener is short, so cross. Pencil is tall, so tick. In B, the tree is tall. This plant is short. So, we will tick them as taller for tree and cross for the plant, because the tree is tall and the plant is short here. Children, the next topic here is heavier and lighter. The chapter's name is spatial relationship. We have the next topic, heavier and lighter. In this picture, you can see this is a watermelon and these are the grapes. If you can observe, the watermelon is big and it is heavy, and the grapes are small and light. Heavier, lighter. H-E-A-V-I-E-R, heavier. L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter. So, the watermelon is heavier, big and heavy. The grapes are small and lighter. Let's read the given sentence here. The watermelon is heavier and grapes are lighter. Yes. So, in this picture we can see the watermelon is big and heavier and the grapes are small and lighter. Let's read the heading here. Tick the heavier one and cross the lighter one. This is the tick symbol and this is the cross symbol. So, we have two pictures here. The A picture, we have a butterfly and a big cake. So, in these two pictures, we have to put a tick mark for the heavier one and a cross mark for the lighter one. So, among these two, the butterfly is small and light. So, we will put the cross mark. And the cake is big and heavy. So, we will put the tick mark. Now, in the B picture, this is car and this is a parrot. The car is big and the bird parrot is small. If you can compare also, you can imagine the car will be big and the bird will be small and light. So, the car is heavier than the bird here and the bird is lighter. We will put the tick mark for the heavier one and the lighter one will be the bird. So, we will put a cross mark here. Lighter one, heavier one. In this picture, cake is heavier. So, we put the tick mark and the butterfly is the lighter one. Yes, children. Now, with this, we completed our course book part from our mathematics subject, the first chapter, spatial relationship. Children, please go through the online class for the workbook part also for our first chapter. Prepare well for the online exam by going through the course book and workbook part.